Stay connected to the weekly current affairs for the competitive exam. Hey all, I'm Stuti Rawat and this is my YouTube channel Focus to Learn. If you are new here, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the future educational content. So now, without delaying it further, let's begin. Number 1, emergency funds to armed forces deployed at line of actual control. Yes, rupees 500 crores of fund is released to specialized mountain forces that is deployed at LAC and that is particularly trained in guerrilla warfare and fighting. It's done with the consultant, the Department of Military Affairs, and the Indian Armed Forces will be allowed to purchase weapons with this amount. Number 2, Tripura government's Play Little, Study Little. The scheme launched on 25th of June. The scheme is named Ekto Kelo, Ekto Pado. That means Play Little, Study Little. It's launched with an objective to make sure that students invest their time in studies during this time of uncertainty that is caused due to COVID-19. इसमें क्या होगा कि every morning headquarter of the state's educational department learning content will be transmitted and shared to the academic coordinator of each district. और वहाँ से it will be transmitted to the headmaster of the schools located at that particular district, and then from there it will be on the headmasters to share it with the teachers, and from the teacher it will be transmitted to the student. तो इस तरीके से जो है learning content will be shared from the state educational department to the students. Number 3 is the decarbonizing transport in India. In collaboration with the International Transport Forum, ITF, Niti Aayog will launch it to reduce the carbon dioxide emission due to the transportation in the country. It's actually a part of DTEE project, that is decarbonizing transport in emerging economies. It's the project of ITF, of which apart from India, presently Argentina, Morocco, Azerbaijan are the participants. Next is the Health and Hygiene Expo 2020. It's the first virtual exhibition of India organized by Federation of India Chambers of Commerce and Industry. It's inaugurated by the Union Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers on 22nd of June 2020. It's a 5-day virtual healthcare and hygiene expo that aims to create India self-reliant in pharmaceuticals, health and hygiene sector by boosting domestic production. यहाँ जो है India aims to provide help to private sector for setting up bulk drug parks in the country. It's all under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, Atmanirbhar Bharat regime of the Indian government. Next is International Olympic Day, that is celebrated on 23rd of June. It's celebrated to commemorate the foundation day of the International Olympic Committee. It was first celebrated in 1948. जो है Summer and Winter Olympic Games are organized by this committee, International Olympic Committee, and it's a non-government sports organization. इसका जो headquarter है, it's in Switzerland. Next is financial assistance of rupees 4,957 crores to 17.5 million building and other construction workers released. It is done to overcome financial impacts of COVID-19. Chief Minister of all the states and UTs are advised by the Union Minister of Labour and Employment to create framework of building and construction workers so that they may be provided with the financial support and assistance by the government. Next is Yukti 2.0 by the HRD Ministry. On 23rd of June, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, the Union Human Resource Development Minister, launched it. Yukti 2.0 is a web portal for the fulfillment of mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. युक्ति का ऑलरेडी जो है एक वर्जन जो है ऑलरेडी लॉन्च हो चुका है ऑन 11th of April, and the युक्ति stands for Young India Combating COVID with the Knowledge, Technology and Innovation. Next is foundation stone laid for first Hindu temple in Islamabad. On 23rd of June, the temple is to be constructed in Islamabad and it's the first of its kind that is to be built after independence. The temple will be devoted to Lord Krishna and its name will also be Shri Krishna Mandir. That is decided by the Islamabad Hindu Panchayat. इसकी जो बिल्डिंग कॉस्ट है अराउंड 10 करोड़ इसकी बिल्डिंग कॉस्ट पड़ने वाली है. Next is Devika and Puneja bridges inaugurated in Jammu and Kashmir. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister of State for Development of Northeastern Region, inaugurated Border Roads Organization construction bridges Devika and Puneja on 24th of June 2020. Devika Bridge is located at Udhampur of J&K and it's 10-meter long, and Puneja Bridge is located in Bandarwat town in Dora districts of J&K and it's around 50-meter long. Next is World's First Yoga University. World's first yoga university outside India, Vivekananda Yoga University, launched in Los Angeles. It is launched on 23rd of June 2020 as a part of commemorations for the 6th International Yoga Day. Next is mobile application e-blood services launched by Union Health Minister. On 25th of June, it was launched as an initiative of Indian Red Cross Society. Mobile blood collection units will be sent across all the localities of New Delhi for conducting blood donation camps. It's developed by E-Rakt Kosh team of Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Next is first woman Chief Secretary of Punjab, Winnie Mahajan. She became the first woman to hold the position on 26th of June 2020. She replaced Karan Avtar Singh. She is also the first women officer to hold the post of Deputy Commissioner in the state of Punjab. And the final one is the Sankalp Parva. Sankalp Parv launched by the Ministry of Culture on the call of Prime Minister PM Narendra Modi. The Union Ministry of Culture has announced it on 27th of June 2020. It's a 2-week long tree plantation camp from 28th of June to 12th of July. In the time of pandemic COVID-19, nation needs clean and healthy environment. The Ministry of Culture recommended plantation of 5 kind of trees: Bargad, Amla, Peepal, Ashok and Bale, representing the herbal heritage of the country. So that's all for the today's video and I hope जो मैंने आपके साथ information share की है वो आपके competitive exam के लिए आपको help ज़रूर देगी और आपके लिए helpful साबित होगी. So thanks for watching the video.